Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Alwayti World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you supervised learning. That means the definition or explanation, this kind of thing, supervised learning. First of all, what is this? This is the supervised learning. So supervised learning, what? That means what is the definition? Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where an algorithm learns from a level dataset. In this setting, the model is provided with input-output pairs, features and level. So we have to remember the things, the features and level. So during training and it tasks is to learn the mapping from inputs to the correct output. The goal is for model to make the accuracy prediction and new unseen data based on the pattern it learned during training. So if we this the two things. So what the input, see the output. Input reveals the features and output reveals the level. So what this, so these are the variables or attributes used to make prediction. That means when we predict something, so we need some value or we need some features or need some variables that make sure to predict the things. Then the output things, the levels. So these are the correct answers or targets that the model needs to predict. So remember it, target, see the target and the correct answer, see, and the model needs to predict. So if we want to predict the thing, see, so also the target, also the correct answer, we need some verification or some analytical data. So we need the input data or input features that identify or predict the target things which has been correct. So for this case we need to supervise learning. First we supervise learn, then predict the correct output. See, this is the thing. So types of supervised learning problems. So first of all, this is a problem, right? So what kinds of problem that we decide later. So how many problems and how types of supervised learning problems. The thing is, in supervised learning, the training process involved learning from this level example and that the level examples, and then generalized to the new case. To perform the model is typically measured using a separate test data set, where data set, we have to remember the data set, then where the outputs are known but were not used during training. See, so we have to memorize about the training and test purpose. See, training and test. See, we have to remember these two things. So type of supervised learning problems. So classification problem and regression problem. So in classification problem, the output level is a category or class. So we have to remember the category or class. Example, classifying whether an email is spam or not spam. An email has come in our mail. So we have to identify this is the spam mail or not spam mail. See, this is the thing also, yes or no. See, yes or no. Now the regression, the output level is a continuous value. So continuous means predicting the price of a house based on its features like size, location and the number of rooms. That depends on the continuous value which is continuously increasing, see, or decreasing. We have to remember the continuous value. Let's example predicting that this thing I have told you before. See, the thing has been web. Now the next slide. The slide is supervised learning algorithm. See the algorithm. So now we will introduce about the algorithm. So how many? So here the supervised learning algorithm, we can define the things. In machine learnings, there are numerous supervised algorithms that vary in their complexity, use case, and underlying principle. So with the depends of this thing, uh, some supervised learning that here I will show you. Here the regression, here the regression thing. Here also the regression algorithm. Here these kinds of thing, the regression algorithm. See, LR, PR, RR, lasso regression, and elastic net regression. Also the next classification algorithm, actually that depends on the data set or the analytical or research theme. So what kinds of data or what kinds of project we have taken, and we will analyze the things, then we have pre-processing. The lots of thing has been, I will show you later. Next classification algorithm, here the LR, KNN, SVM, all of know about the SVM. Here the naive Bayes, the Gaussian naive Bayes, multinomial naive Bayes, Barnial naive Bayes, etc. Also the DT, RF, here gradient boosting machine algorithm have three. See, the ADA boost extra trees classifier. Next, neural, this is the most popular things. Neural, here the artificial neural networks have MLP, that means the multi-layer perceptron. Also the CNN, primarily for image data. This is very important for imaging side. So if we want to research any kinds of image data, this thing has been used. Also the recurrent for time series or sequential data. Here also LSTM and the GRU. Here also another ensemble method. This is the method. Here also the bagging, boost, stripe, aggregation algorithm, RF, ensemble decision tree, boosting also we have taken. This is the ensemble purpose. We have used this stacking and voting classifier. Here the probabilistic algorithm, naive Bayes, also we have thing, but multiple purpose we can use the things. The Bayesian networks, see the Bayesian instant based learning. This is the categorical we can use, the instant based learning. Also this is the probabilistic learning algorithm. Here the things, probabilistic, the things, probabilistic algorithm, naive Bayes. Also we have studied before Bayesian, this and the regularization algorithm. Regularization also used for supervised learning algorithm. Here also the kernel based algorithm. Also this is the thing, SVM with different kernels such as linear, polynomial and RBF. See, the kernel rich regression also use. Here now commonly used supervised algorithm. That means some of the most commonly used supervised learning algorithm across various application include. See, for what, which algorithm? Linear regression for regression tasks, LR for binary classification tasks, decision tree for both binary and regression, random forest also popular, ensemble method. This is the method, ensemble purpose method. We can use the RF. So SVM classification, especially with a small medium sized data set, KNN is small, simple, and instant based learner. Naive Bayes, especially for text classification, naive Bayes algorithm has been used. Neural network for deep learning. This is also now popular for deep learning. Also like image recognition, natural language also. So gradient boosting are highly accurable ensemble method that including the G boost, light, and cat boost. Here also the how many. How many means how many algorithms have. So while there are dozens of distinct supervised algorithms, many of them can be grouped into broader categories with new variant and combinations being developed all the time. The exact number of algorithms depends on how they are categorized, but especially the key reasons have regression analysis algorithms have 5 to 10 major types: classification, ensemble, and NN or deep learning. These features is very important for analytical part. Overall, we can say the dozen of algorithms in supervised algorithm is suitable for different types of data and tasks. See, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video or tutorial will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.